Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, so click, and Gboard. Now just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!